Tell them not to manufacture another needless standoff or crisis. Let's skip the unnecessary drama, the needless delays, and all the partisan posturing, and let's just do the right thing for the people who sent us here to serve.
We must assure that consumers of financial products have the information and safeguards that they need so that their life savings are not placed in needless jeopardy.
Yet, Republicans in the Senate have blocked this bill, a needless delay that has led small business owners across this country to put off hiring, put off expanding, and put off plans that will make our economy stronger. And needless to say, Bill also has a smidgen of awareness of how our system of government and politics works. With most of the world's nuclear power and some half of humanity, Asia will largely define whether the century ahead will be marked by conflict or cooperation, needless suffering or human progress.
We need industry wizards if we are to develop effective security measures that don't cause needless harm to the economy.
But needless to say that the support of the United States in our endeavor to move forward has been.
Needless to say, he was thrilled.